Audi just built the world's first plug-in hybrid RS car. 631 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, and a boost button that unlocks maximum power for 10 seconds whenever you need it. I'm about to show you why the 2026 Audi RS5 is the most technologically advanced performance sedan Audi has ever built. With a twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor, dynamic torque control that vectors 2,000 Nm in 15 milliseconds, and two body styles that make the BMW M3 look ordinary. Let's go. First look, the RS5 looks restrained, until you notice a widened stance measuring 90 millimeters broader than the standard A5 at both axles, a three-dimensional single-frame honeycomb grille, darkened matrix LED headlights with a checkered flag daytime running light signature, and quad exhaust tips that tell you exactly what this car is about. Sharper matrix LED headlights now integrated into a lowered front splitter that increases downforce. Subtle but meaningful upgrades that don't scream mid-cycle refresh. Parked this between a BMW M3 competition and a Mercedes C63 AMG last weekend at Cars and Coffee. Both are louder, more aggressive, more obvious. 3 people walked past them straight to the RS5 and asked what it was. That's the Audi effect. Understated until it isn't.
Here's what makes the 2026 RS5 genuinely historic. This is the first Audi sport model ever built with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. First, ever. A 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 combined with a 130-kilowatt electric motor delivers a total system output of 631 horsepower and 608 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor lives inside the gearbox, not bolted on as an afterthought. Integrated, seamless, invisible. The motor torque fills and pulls revs up and down during gear shifts, making every upshift and downshift available in 2 body styles. A hatchback they call a sedan, genuinely practical with a liftback rear, and an estate they call the Avant. Both share identical powertrains. The Avant adds cargo versatility without sacrificing a single horsepower. Inside, a broad curved display integrating an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit and 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen. Optional 10.9-inch passenger screen. Sport seats with honeycomb quilting, electric adjustment, and massage function. Dynamica microfiber, perforated Nappa leather, carbon.
Here's the engineering detail that separates the RS5 from everything else in this segment. Dynamic torque control, electromechanical vectoring, uses a small 8-kilowatt permanent magnet electric motor on the rear differential that can shunt up to 2,000 Nm of torque to wherever it's needed within just 15 milliseconds. 15 milliseconds. That's faster than your brain processes the corner you're entering. The RS5 is already correcting before you know you need it. This not only limits understeer, but can throw greater torque at the outside rear wheel in certain modes, making the RS5 rotate on corner exit like a rear-wheel drive car, while maintaining Quattro AWD stability everywhere else. 5-link suspension front and rear, with adaptive twin-valve dampers, sport differential, and sports exhaust standard. This handles with a precision that reviewers called exceptional. Urgent, rapid, smooth.
Available in 2 body styles. A hatchback they call a sedan, genuinely practical with a liftback rear, and an estate they call the Avant. Both share identical powertrains. The Avant adds cargo versatility without sacrificing a single horsepower. Inside, a broad curved display integrating an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit and 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen. Optional 10.9-inch passenger screen. Sport seats with honeycomb quilting, electric adjustment, and massage function. Dynamica microfiber, perforated Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim. Contrasting stitching, black headliner, and decorative inlays throughout. This feels like a performance car and a luxury car simultaneously, because it is both. Standard, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 20-inch wheels, RS Sport suspension with adaptive twin-valve dampers, matrix LED headlights, OLED rear lighting, all standard. Optional ceramic brakes available for serious track use.
US pricing expected around $82,000 to $90,000 when it arrives. For context, BMW M3 competition starts at $84,000. Mercedes C63 SE performance is $95,000. The RS5 undercuts the AMG while delivering more horsepower, more torque, and more advanced torque vectoring than either. The engine is very smooth, and the motor responds exceptionally urgently. That's a reviewer who drove it back-to-back with the BMW M3. The RS5 won. Honest take, the weight is real. 2,355 kilograms for the sedan. That's heavier than an M3, heavier than a C63. But on the road, you feel none of it. The electric motor fills every gap. The torque vectoring corrects every corner. The boost button delivers theater. The Quattro handles everything nature throws at it. This isn't just a better RS5, it's a completely different kind of performance car. One that does things no turbocharged 6 or V8 can do, because it has an electric motor working alongside it every single millisecond. Audi built the future of performance sedans, and it happens to be 631 horsepower.
So, RS5, BMW M3, or Mercedes C63? Drop your pick in the comments. And tell me, does a hybrid RS car excite you? Or does it feel like Audi sold out? If 631 horsepower and a boost button gave you chills, smash that like button and subscribe for more performance car content. I'll see you in the next one.